Whether you call it global warming, whatever you might happen to call it, doesn't matter what you believe in. The reality is we're having more storms more frequently and they're more severe.
Gotcha.
When that happens, the cost of claims goes up.
Sure.
So when claims cost goes up, claim frequency goes up, rates go up.
Have to go up.
They have to go up. Insurance companies are for-profit companies.
Sure.
People kind of have this idea of, oh my God, they're making so much money. They're for-profit like any other company is.
Yeah.
So when they're paying out more in claims than they're bringing in premium, that's when you see the rates change.
Okay.
So
well, that makes sense.
That's kind of where we're at on roofs. A lot of our carriers right now, if the roof is over 10 or 15 years old, it's a challenge. Now, coverage is available. It's just you can't get replacement cost coverage, so you're going to see a heavily depreciated claim.
I got you.
15, 20-year-old roof, yes, you can get a policy for that. It's just not going to replace the whole roof. It's going to be pretty heavily depreciated.
So if something happens, let's say a hailstorm comes through and it's a 20-year-old roof, so they've got coverage on it, but they won't necessarily get the whole roof replaced.
Correct.
Without having to come out of pocket.
That's right.
Okay.
So what most carriers have done, they have what they call a roof depreciation schedule built into the policies these days.
Okay.
So after, and every carrier is a little different, but let's say most common is after 15 years, they start doing a percentage depreciation per year.
Okay.
So year 16, it might only be 5% depreciation. So they would replace the entire roof minus your deductible minus 5%.
Gotcha.
But then as you get on up to 20, 25, 30-year-old roof, heavy depreciation.
Okay.
People, oh, I've got a 30-year-old roof. That's what the roofers tell them, and that's what they're sold as. In South Carolina, with the heat that we have,
Doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work that way. A 30-year-old roof is just absolutely done at 20 years. That's just the reality of it. So, but once again, coverage is there. It's just a matter of understanding how it's going to be settled, and that's our job as agents, right? Sure. To explain that up front. People have short-term memories when it's 10 years later, and they've entered that depreciation situation, and they're not happy with how the claim is being settled because of the age of the roof.
Gotcha.
So that's a kind of a quick 101 on insurance and roofs right now. But